What if you could keep your clothes fresh and clean without any harsh chemicals, expensive detergents, or noisy machines? That's exactly how the Amish have been doing laundry for generations, relying on simple, natural methods that are gentle on fabrics, kind to skin, and good for the environment. In a world full of synthetic soaps and artificial fragrances, the Amish remind us there's a cleaner, more sustainable way to wash clothes. In this video, we'll dive into their time-honored laundry traditions and discover how they maintain spotless garments while staying true to their values. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into traditional and eco-friendly living. Let's dive in. The Amish avoid modern laundry detergents because they often contain synthetic chemicals, artificial fragrances, and preservatives that can irritate sensitive skin and cause allergies. These chemicals also harm the environment by polluting water and damaging ecosystems. The Amish prefer natural, pure products that align with their cultural and religious values. Additionally, by making or using natural cleaning alternatives, they support self-reliance and independence, avoiding dependence on commercial goods and maintaining their traditional way of life. The Amish continue to use traditional and time-tested methods. Their laundry process focuses on natural cleaning agents, manual labor, and sustainable practices. Every step, from sorting to drying, is carried out with care, patience, and intention. Here's an in-depth look at the Amish way of doing laundry, a method that keeps both clothes and the environment clean. Before starting the washing process, the Amish take great care in sorting their clothes, a simple yet essential step that helps maintain the quality and longevity of their garments. Laundry is carefully separated into different categories to avoid problems like color bleeding and fabric damage. Whites are always washed separately from darker or colored items to keep them bright. Additionally, fabrics are grouped by type and weight. Heavier items such as denim work pants, aprons, and thick socks are kept apart from lighter clothing like cotton shirts, bonnets, or dresses. This thoughtful method ensures that each load is washed under conditions best suited to its fabric type, helping to preserve the clothing's integrity and allowing it to last much longer. The Amish approach, stain removal with simple, natural methods rather than using commercial chemical products. Before washing, they carefully inspect each garment by hand and pre-treat stains using ingredients commonly found around the home, such as baking soda, vinegar, or even lard. The choice of treatment depends on the nature of the stain. Grease, grass, or food stains each require a slightly different method. This hands-on process reflects their resourcefulness and commitment to a chemical-free lifestyle. It's not only effective, but also gentle on fabrics, helping preserve the quality of clothing while staying true to natural traditional cleaning practices. The Amish use a variety of natural, time-tested remedies to tackle stains, often relying on simple household ingredients instead of store-bought products. One common solution is bar soap, often handmade from lye and animal fat. The soap is rubbed directly onto the stained area using firm, circular motions to break down the grime. For grease or food stains, they apply a baking soda paste, made by mixing baking soda with water. This gentle mixture helps lift dirt and oil from the fabric fibers. Lemon juice is used for its natural bleaching properties, especially on white garments. It helps remove yellowing and mildew stains while brightening the fabric. To treat sweat stains or enhance fabric colors, salt is used. It draws moisture and stains out of the fabric and can even help set dyes. These treatments are simple, eco-friendly, and surprisingly effective. The Amish avoid commercial detergents, choosing natural soap alternatives that are gentle on skin and eco-friendly. A popular option is soap nuts or soap berries, which release natural saponins when soaked in warm water, producing a mild, plant-based cleanser. Soap nuts can be reused for several laundry loads and are ideal for those with sensitive skin. Another common choice is homemade lye soap, made by mixing lye from wood ash with animal fat or vegetable oils, then curing it into hard bars. This soap can be applied directly to stains or grated into wash water. Both methods emphasize the Amish values of tradition, sustainability, and effectiveness in cleaning. Their use of natural materials shows a strong commitment to environmentally conscious and health-friendly laundry practices. Without electric water heaters or instant hot water taps, the Amish rely on traditional methods to heat water for laundry. This process is done entirely by hand and requires both time and effort, reflecting their commitment to a simpler, self-sufficient lifestyle. Water is typically heated using wood-burning stoves inside the home or in cast-iron kettles placed over outdoor fires. These methods allow large batches of water to be warmed to the desired temperature, essential for breaking down soap and loosening dirt, grease, and grime from clothes. Although more labor-intensive, manually heating water is an essential part of the Amish laundry process, especially on designated wash days, commonly Mondays or Thursdays. This practice not only honors tradition, but also eliminates reliance on modern utilities, staying true to their values of independence and sustainability. For the Amish, doing laundry is a fully manual and physical task. There are no washing machines with buttons or programmed cycles, just traditional, hands-on techniques that require effort and time, rooted in simplicity and self-reliance. Hand washing is a common method, where clothes are soaked in warm, soapy water and scrubbed thoroughly using washboards or wooden paddles. Washboards are especially helpful for cleaning tough areas like collars and cuffs. Large wash tubs, often made of wood or galvanized metal, are used for soaking and scrubbing. Some individuals stir the laundry with paddles, while others step into the tub to agitate and stomp the clothes. After washing, manual wringer machines are used to remove excess water. This process fosters both physical discipline and family cooperation. After scrubbing clothes clean, the Amish prioritize thorough rinsing to remove all soap residue, which can cause fabric stiffness or skin irritation, especially when using strong lye-based soaps. They typically rinse clothes in one of two ways: by hand in a second tub of clean water, manually agitating the garments with paddles or hands to release soap, or by pouring running well water over the clothes to wash away suds. Multiple rinses are often performed to ensure the garments are completely free of soap. This careful rinsing not only protects the fabric, but also reflects the Amish values of thoroughness, health consciousness, and commitment to doing tasks properly. Even though this process takes extra time, it demonstrates their dedication to quality and care in everyday chores like laundry. After washing and rinsing, the Amish hang their laundry outdoors to dry naturally. Long clotheslines are strung between poles, fences, or trees across the yard. Rows of white shirts, black pants, and patterned dresses flutter gently in the breeze, secured with wooden clothespins. Drying usually starts in the morning to take full advantage of the sun throughout the day. Sunlight helps disinfect the clothes naturally, while UV rays bleach and brighten white fabrics. The fresh air gives the laundry a clean scent, removing the need for artificial fabric softeners or perfumes. During winter, the Amish rely on freeze drying, where ice forms on the wet clothes and slowly evaporates. Although different from drying in warmth, this process still effectively dries the garments without electricity. The Amish laundry process, though labor-intensive, provides several important benefits. By using natural soaps and hand washing, their methods are much gentler on fabrics compared to harsh chemical detergents and the rough action of washing machines, helping clothes last longer. This approach is also cost-effective, as homemade soaps and soap nuts replace expensive commercial products. Environmentally, it's much cleaner. No synthetic chemicals are released into waterways, reducing pollution. That's a wrap on our video. We've seen how the Amish keep their clothes fresh and clean using simple, natural, and eco-friendly methods. Their approach not only protects their health and preserves the environment, but also honors their deep-rooted traditions. In a world full of chemicals and technology, the Amish remind us that sometimes the oldest ways are still the best ways. Could you try some of these natural laundry methods at home? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed learning about these time-honored laundry practices, be sure to subscribe for more insightful videos on traditional living and sustainable lifestyles.